hold onto your seats. Guerrilla technology shattered revenue predictions, projecting a mind-blowing $44 million. Giant red numbers flash while the tech market descends into absolute, chaotic panic. Nobody saw this coming. Look at Guerrilla technology. Inside, CEO maps massive global expansion. New security contracts lock down cities worldwide, fueling explosive growth. This tech giant takes over, one nation at a time. Behind closed doors, panic spreads. Boardrooms erupt in chaos. Rivals scramble to stop the guerrilla's rise. Emergency meetings called, plans drawn, but fear rules the room. They are running out of time. Look at the screens. Those guerrilla engineers just flipped the switch, flooding major cities with a green glow. The new AI security grid is officially live. There is no escaping their dominance now. We are locked in. Look up, those street cameras blinking green. They aren't just recording traffic anymore. Every single step you take, every move you make, the guerrilla is watching. You are never alone. He sees everything. They gather in the dark, whispering of freedom. But the city is always watching. Before they can even start, green lasers lock onto their chests. Just like that, the rebellion is over before it begins. Look up at the giant screens. The new laws are flashing, and everyone just bows their heads. No one fights back anymore. Guerrilla tech owns us now, and we are just letting it happen. Paper money burned. Guerrilla tech took control. Now, citizens scan bare palms to buy basic food. Your body is your new wallet. Convenience cost freedom. Watch closely. Empire grows fast. Up they go. Giant guerrilla satellites now swarm the orbit, weaving an invisible web. Every step you take, every breath you draw, watched from the cold dark. There is nowhere left to hide. They thought the deep canopy would hide them. They were wrong. High above, guerrilla drones are scanning the dark woods, locking onto their body heat. Can the rebels survive this mechanical hunt, or is it game over? No escape now. The rebels sprint through the thick brush, but the guerrilla drones are closing in. Laser fire tears the trees apart, trapping them in a ring of blazing fire. How will they survive? No escape now. The drones found them. The last rebels are dragged in chains toward the glowing guerrilla tech tower. Their rebellion ends here, in the shadow of the machine. What awaits them inside? Inside the tower, the massive neural link hums, waiting. They force the captives in, scanning their minds. One by one, every memory of rebellion, every hope for freedom is wiped clean. Is this the end of the resistance? Look at them now. The rebels we thought were wiped out are marching back into the city, but they aren't here to save us. Clad in guerrilla tech armor, they're policing the streets, hunting down any new threat. Look at that glowing logo. The city sleeps, completely broken. Guerrilla tech rules everything now. But is this truly the end of our story? Will we ever rise up, or is their reign eternal?